Hi family, and welcome back into another video, and today we bring you but the best recipe that we have. And today we are going to be making samosa wraps, and this samosa wraps has taken me a while before I learned how to make them, but when I did, I'm telling you, we make samosas every now and then. I'm telling you, it's the simplest recipe that you can ever find. I came up with the best. There are so many recipes around, but this is the simplest recipe that you can ever use, or you can try it and see how it will work for you. Like before, my friends used to tell me, samosas are tedious, it's a lot of work. But after making mine several times, I have come to realize it's not a lot of work. Actually, you just have to master the art of combining things together and just having a little bit of time, but it's very easy. Now the ingredients I'm using, I just have water and salt and flour. That's it. So I just use a little bit of water and 4 cups of flour and a teaspoon of salt.
And starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm thinking.
Samosa dough, it has to be a little bit hard, because when you keep it soft, and then the next step when you're going to add the oil and the flour, is going to be more softer. And I'm sure you don't want to go through the troublesome of rolling the dough and not coming back to the shape that you want. It's very hard actually. But when you roll the balls like that, my dough, out of 4 cups of flour, it gave me about 16 small balls. So right there, you're just going to make some small round shapes like you can see on your screen. So on my side, I like putting at least 4 on every batch like that. So you roll all of them out. Some of us do it all of them together, others they just do bits by bits, but for my case, I roll all of them, and then now I combine them all together, as you will see in the next step as we continue. As I told you, everybody or everyone else have their own style, but whatever works for you, because it's all about trying here and there and coming up with your best recipe for you and for your family. Whatever works for you, that's good for you. So let's enjoy this video to the end and see the outcome. I hope this video has been of help to some of you, and thank you so much for always watching our videos and for always coming by to support us and to watch our videos. And if you like such kind of videos, kindly leave a comment down below and let us know what you would like us to make next time. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you would like to try some, kindly do so. And please remember to tag us and let us know that you were able to make it for your family and for yourself. And thank you for always commenting, for the likes, and most importantly for watching. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.